Let's talk about the 13 things that I used up in the last month of 2023. Let's go ahead and dive into it with the few hair care things that I finished up. This is purple shampoo that I use because I have my hair colored in a blonde color. And I use this once a week. I really enjoy this purple shampoo. It does a great job of balancing out the bronziness that might come about in my hair, and I will definitely repurchase this. I had gotten this as a sample from Ulta, maybe like a birthday gift. It is the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. I used this up, and I don't know that I would buy it because I don't really know what acidic bonding is supposed to do, but hey, I tried it, so I would need to do some research before I decided whether or not it was worth it. Let's go ahead and talk about some like body care type things. I just finished yesterday this small mini Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. It had a nice feel and consistency to it, but I would not actually buy this because I did not like the smell of this. It has sort of a floral smell that just makes me think of like an old lady grandpa smell. I think I'm discovering that I don't like floral smells. So while I enjoyed the feel and the moisturization of this, I wouldn't actually buy this because of the smell. But something I did like the smell of was this lotion from Bath & Body Works. It is the Sunrise Woods scent. Wonderful fall fragrance that really carries over all year round. It has a slight tinge of like apple in it. It says the fragrance notes, was an apple. It says creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, that's what it is, and cozy cashmere. And this is a wonderfully cozy and moisturizing lotion. Would love to have this again in the fall because this is a fall fragrance that they sell. And something else that I do enjoy, but I'm not going to repurchase anymore, is the coconut lime moisturizing shave oil from Tree Hut. I have discovered shave butters in the form of a bar, and I'm going to start going that direction instead of the shave oil because it's just less plastic, less waste. I do recycle, so that, is good, but you can't recycle this top part because it has mixed plastics and metal pieces in it. I do find that the shave butter from Kitsch, and I'll pop a picture up here, I get mine from Grove Collaborative, and I'll have a link, like a little special link for you below. If you wanted to join Grove, you could save $10 I think on your first order. I enjoy that just as much as I enjoy this, and I just have less plastic, so definitely probably not going to buy that again. Not that it's bad, I still really enjoyed this shave oil. We're not someone that's concerned about plastic consumption. This is a wonderfully moisturizing and smoothing shave oil. It helps protect against razor burn and nicks, and has always lots of really lovely smells. So it's not a bad thing. I'm going to go a different route. Okay, I'm sorry that my puppies are playing in the background, but if you watch my videos, you know that they're generally playing at some point in my videos. I finished up this ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This isn't something that I would buy again because I don't think that it did a difference in the dark spots that I have, which are probably age spots and not dark spots. So, it didn't really do much for that, but it was a nice thin product, and, I really don't have any left. It was nice under makeup, nice feeling on the skin, just didn't really do anything for me and my problem areas, so I wouldn't buy that again. I finished my Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Plus Peptide Night Moisturizer, and this was a really thick, great moisturizer at night. But with retinols, I'm trying out different things. Right now I'm doing a serum type situation instead of a moisturizer, and having that retinol mixed in with the moisturizer. I'm trying something different that I can share with you another time. So while I enjoyed this and the moisturizing factor in this thick cream with no scent, it did not have a scent, I'm just trying to find other ways to get my retinol in. If you are looking for something that is really lightweight and affordable in a moisturizer, I highly recommend that you check out the e.l.f. Skin line. I have another e.l.f. Skin moisturizer that's in a different packaging, so it's different, but this one in the white tube has oat milk, ceramides, and niacinamide, and it's dermatologist developed. It is a really, really wonderfully light yet hydrating moisturizer, and this is so affordable. It's less than $10. I really, really enjoyed this, and this tube of 2.54 fluid ounces lasted me for like 3 months, and there was a time period where I was using it morning and night. I really, really enjoyed that a lot. Always something that I am looking to repurchase. I have bought this multiple times. It's the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This has those ceramides in it that are really great for your skin and your moisture barrier. It has hyaluronic acid in it. This one is for normal to dry skin, so it's not foaming. It's very white and kind of thick and creamy almost, yet really effective in helping to cleanse your skin after a first cleanse. So I'll do a cleansing balm as my first step to get the makeup and the skincare and the eye stuff off, and then I go in with this to kind of rinse that all away, and it does a really, really wonderful job. In order to save money, I'm trying right now the Equate Walmart brand version of this, which is different. So I don't know that I would buy that one again, because this one is just a little more gentle on my skin. So that's a great product. I have 2 sunscreens, one that I finished and one that I think is bad, so I'm not going to use it. And the one that I finished was the Aveeno Protect and Hydrate Sunscreen. This is SPF 60. This was a really great hydrating, glowy type of sunscreen. It has a white cast to it, so I would definitely suggest like not using it all on its own, because it will leave a little bit of a white cast, a moderate amount of white cast, but it does have kind of a sunscreeny smell to it. So I didn't enjoy that part, and for that reason I wouldn't buy this again. The sunscreen that I did not finish because I think it is bad is this sample or mini of the Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion 50 plus SPF. And I feel like this went bad because it's like in a squirt tube. And even though I've shaken it, well, now it looks okay because I've just did it. I was trying to figure out why I didn't finish it. It comes out separated with like a clear layer first, and then that cream comes out. And so I just don't know that I want to rely on that. And it does have a very heavy fragrance to it. So just for all of those reasons, I'm going to count that as a pass. And I would not buy that, mostly because of the fragrance. But it's not a sunscreeny fragrance. It's almost like a perfumey fragrance, but I don't enjoy that. And the last makeup empty that I have, this is a makeup empty. It's the only makeup empty because I've been very, very busy finishing up a lot of makeup. I finished up this small mini of the Maybelline Surreal Falsies mascara. I use my mascaras until they start to dry and flake on me. And so while this one may have some product left in it, it was starting to smudge and flake. And so I'm just going to call that done. But I enjoyed this mascara. This is the type of wand that I really enjoy. That's sort of this thick and voluminous wand, and doesn't have that little dip or curve in the middle. It's just an easy wand to use. When they start having like short bristles on one side and long bristles on the other side, it gets to be a little overwhelming for me. So I prefer something like this that's just straightforward and works and effective in its job. So those are all of the things that I finished up in the month of December. I'm really looking forward to what I'm going to be able to accomplish in 2024. Coming up very soon, I'm going to share with you all the things that I either want to finish in 2024 or the things that I really, really want to heavily focus on. So please make sure you're subscribed. Leave a comment below to let me know how many products did you use this month, this year. Was this a good finishing year for you? And I will see you in my next video. Bye.